Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're dealing with a P0442 error code on your vehicle's dashboard, don't panic. We're here to break it all down for you. This is a common issue in many modern cars, and by the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, spot the symptoms, identify the causes, and learn how to fix it. Let's dive right in. First off, what exactly is the P0442 error code? It's an OBD2 diagnostic trouble code that stands for Evaporative Emission Control System Leak Detected, Small Leak. In simple terms, your car's evap system is designed to capture fuel vapors and prevent them from escaping into the atmosphere. When this code pops up, it means there's a small leak somewhere in that system, which could affect your vehicle's emissions and efficiency. Now, let's talk about symptoms. You might not notice anything dramatic, but common signs include the check engine light illuminating on your dashboard, a slight drop in fuel economy, or even a faint smell of gasoline around your car. In some cases, you could experience rough idling or difficulty starting the engine, though that's less common. What causes this error? There are a few usual suspects. The most frequent culprit is a loose, damaged, or missing gas cap, which is an easy fix. Other causes include cracked or disconnected vacuum hoses, a faulty purge valve, or problems with the evap canister itself. Sometimes, it's due to aftermarket parts that aren't compatible or even a software glitch in the car's computer system. Luckily, there are straightforward solutions to tackle this. Start by checking and tightening your gas cap. Give it a good twist and drive around for a bit to see if the code clears. If that doesn't work, inspect all the hoses and connections for any visible damage and replace them if needed. You might also need to test the purge valve with a multimeter or use a smoke machine to pinpoint leaks. Once you've made the repairs, reset the code using an OBD2 scanner. Remember, if you're not comfortable with these steps, it's always best to consult a professional mechanic to avoid any further issues. There you have it, a complete guide to the P0442 error code. Fixing this can save you money on fuel and help the environment by reducing emissions. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more car repair tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.